Balik sa GMA Regional TV Live mga kapuso, sa edad nga 13 anyos, hinay-hinay ng mikulit og pangansiyang kagulingon kining usa ka Sugboana nga gymnast tungod sa iyang kadaugan karong bag-o mga kapuso sa online gymnastics competition. Ato siyang ila-ilahon karong buntaga. Mga kapuso, makauban nato si Lian Marie Manning. Good morning, Lian.
Good morning.
Thank you for joining us and congratulations. Unsa may name aning nga competition nga imong giapilan, Lian? And this is an online competition, right? Kay COVID pa man karon?
Yes. Yes. The name of the competition is the Majestics Gymnastics International Competition.
And then you were awarded the Most Valuable Player Gymnast. Is that right?
Yes. Yes, that's right. Yes.
How did you train for the competition?
So for the past few months, we trained through Zoom. But 2 weeks before the competition, we had like face-to-face training.
When was the competition done, Lian?
When was it?
Oo.
I think December.
Unsay gibati nimo, Lian, when you were
Yes. Yes.
given that recognition?
I was surprised actually when I got that recognition. I was surprised to get that recognition, something like that.
Ngano ning sud man ka og gymnastics, kinsa may naka-influence nimo, Lian?
It was interesting because of like tumbling and all like apparatus and stuff, and I really wanted to try it because it was interesting to do and it looked fun. So I really wanted to try it, and that's like really like that.
How young were you when you started enrolling sa gymnastics class?
I was 8 years old.
What's next for you, Lian? Unsa pay sunod nimo nga mga plano? Do you intend to join more competitions pa?
Yes, I intend to join more and more in competitions next year.
Dili ba lisod, Lian, ang pagkat-on og bag-o nga mga stunt, nga mga tricks? Of course, sa sinugdanan ana, masayo pa man jud ka.
At the beginning, it was very hard for me to learn tumbling and like how to use the apparatus. But then at times practicing every single day, I just learned everything. It became very like easier than before.
Kung nakay nakatunan, what have you learned ani nga sport nga gusto nimo nga i-share sa atong mga viewers, mga kids like you?
What I learned is that you have to work hard to win medals. You have to be determined with yourself, and then you have to ignore any like criticism by anybody. And you should like love the sport if you really want to like do it.
All right, Lian, message lang nimo sa mga viewers nagtan-aw nato karon. Maybe na mga kids pod nga interesado sa gymnastics. What would you like to tell them?
I would say is never give up. It will be tough at times, but you have to work hard, be determined, and ignore criticisms, and then you will succeed.
All right, with that, thank you so much, Lian, for joining us. Mga kapuso, atong bida nga Sugboanang gymnast, si Lian Manning. Salamat, Lian!
Thank you.
Thank you.